The silent killer in your engine. Hey buddy, here's something many drivers ignore. Using the wrong engine oil can slowly destroy your car from the inside. It doesn't happen overnight, but signs start showing early. Research from Mobile One shows that improper oil grades cause 30% of premature engine wear. Solution: learn to spot the red flags before they ruin your ride. Tip: always read your owner's manual for oil recommendations. Next, we'll reveal the first warning sign your engine hates your oil. Segment 2. Sign 1. Loud ticking or knocking sounds. When your car sounds like it's full of marbles, that's a bad sign. It usually means the oil is too thin or lacks proper lubrication. Experts at Auto say thin oil fails to cushion metal parts. Solution: use the right viscosity for your climate. Tip: change oil brands only after checking certifications like API or ACEA. Next, let's move to another red flag you can smell before you hear it. Segment 3. Sign 2. Burning smell after driving. A burning smell under the hood means your oil is breaking down or leaking onto hot surfaces. Science shows that overheated oil loses its protective film, increasing friction. Solution: inspect for leaks and replace old oil immediately. Tip: use high-temp synthetic oil if you drive in hot weather often. Next segment. Let's pause and boost your motivation. Segment 4. Motivation. Brake. Be the driver who listens.
Buddy, every sound, smell, and vibration from your car tells a story. The best drivers aren't just fast, they're aware. Paying attention saves engines and wallets. Next, we'll talk about oil that disappears faster than your paycheck.
Segment 5. Sign 3. Rapid oil consumption. If you're topping up oil every few weeks, your engine might be burning it. Experts say this happens when the oil type doesn't match piston ring tolerance.
Solution: use the manufacturer's recommended viscosity and check compression. Tip: avoid cheap oils with unverified additives. Next, let's look at what your oil color says about engine health.
Segment 6. Sign 4. Sludge or thick black oil should be amber and smooth. If it's thick and dark like tar, your engine is struggling. According to Castrol, sludge forms when oil oxidizes or mixes with fuel.
Solution: perform an engine flush and switch to a detergent oil. Tip: never exceed your oil change interval. Next, we'll talk about something that affects your fuel mileage directly.
Segment 7. Sign 5. Poor fuel efficiency. When your car starts drinking more fuel, friction is probably rising inside the engine. Wrong oil increases drag and reduces combustion efficiency. Solution: use low-friction synthetic oils labeled energy-conserving. Tip: track fuel economy after every oil change. Next, we'll motivate you again before diving deeper. Maintenance is an investment. Every oil change is a small investment in your car's future. The more you care now, the less you'll spend later. Smart drivers build habits, not excuses. Next, let's talk about oil pressure, the lifeblood of your engine. Segment 9. Sign 6. Low oil pressure warning light. When that red oil can icon shows up, don't ignore it. It's not just a light, it's a cry for help. Experts explain that wrong oil viscosity or low level triggers the warning. Solution: check your oil immediately and refill with the correct grade. Tip: replace your oil pressure sensor every few years for accuracy. Next, we'll talk about oil that looks like coffee, literally. Segment 10. Sign 7. Milky or foamy oil. If your dipstick oil looks milky, coolant may be mixing with it. That's usually a head gasket problem, but wrong oil can make it worse. Studies show emulsified oil loses all lubrication power. Solution: stop driving, flush your engine, and fix the leak. Tip: use oil with strong detergent properties after repair. Next, well cover a sign most people don't notice until it's too late. Segment 11. Sign 8. Engine overheating oil also cools your engine, not just lubricates it. Wrong oil type can trap heat. Experts from Pennzoil confirm that low-quality oil increases internal temperature. Solution: use oils with high thermal stability. Tip: check cooling system and oil condition together. Next segment, well recharge your motivation again. You're doing great, buddy. Every time you learn something new about your car, you're growing as a driver. Mistakes are fine. What matters is how quickly you fix them. Next, we'll move to the ninth and final sign your engine hates your oil. Segment 13. Sign 9. Hard cold starts. If your car struggles to start on cold mornings, your oil might be too thick. Science shows cold oil moves slower and increases friction during startup. Solution: use winter-grade or multi-viscosity oil like 5W30 in cold areas. Tip: let your engine idle a minute before driving. Next, we'll summarize all signs so you can check them easily. Segment 14. Summary of the 9 signs. Let's recap. Ticking or knocking noises, burning smell, rapid oil consumption, sludge or black oil, poor fuel economy, low oil pressure, light, milky oil, overheating, hard cold starts. If you've seen even one, act fast before serious damage happens. Next, let's talk about prevention. Segment 15. How to prevent oil-related damage. The secret is consistency. Change oil on time, use trusted brands, and never mix types. Experts say most engines die young because of neglect, not age. Solution: stick to intervals and monitor your oil regularly. Tip: write your oil change date on a sticker inside your car. Next, let's look at choosing the right oil wisely. Segment 16. Choosing the right oil for your car. Read your manual, check viscosity, and match it to your driving style. If you drive short trips often, use synthetic. For older cars, use high-mileage oil.
Solution: consult a trusted mechanic before switching types. Tip: don't fall for marketing, base it on data. Next, another mindset refresh for motivation.
Segment 17. Motivation. Break. Be proud of your care buddy. Every minute you spend maintaining your car is a sign of discipline. You're not just saving money, you're building self-respect. Next, let's talk about one last mistake to avoid after oil changes. Segment 18. Forgetting to check oil level after service. Many people drive straight out of the workshop without checking levels. Mistakes happen, even at service centers. Solution: always check your dipstick before leaving. Tip: keep a clean rag in your car to inspect oil anytime. Next, we'll talk about one upgrade worth doing. Segment 19. Using quality oil filters. Even the best oil fails if your filter is cheap. Experts note that poor filters allow metal particles to recirculate and damage parts. Solution: use high-quality or OEM filters only. Tip: change your filter with every oil change. Now, let's wrap it all up with a friendly reminder. All right, buddy. Now you know the 9 hidden signs your engine hates your oil and how to stop damage before it's too late. Treat your engine like your heartbeat. Consistent care keeps it alive and strong. If this helped you, like, share, and comment your experience below. And remember, consult a professional if you have any special conditions or health concerns while working with oil or chemicals. Stay smart, drive safe, and take care of your engine.